Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making ice creams and in 3 pieces. Now let's start with beginning with glaze squishy. And then put it to the third egg. Put it down. Next, and then the ice cream mid top. And then I'll put on the freezer. Oops. And then 40 minutes. 1, 2, 3. And then comes out. It's a ice cream.
Oh, tada!
With popsicle.
Sabi mo, tada!
Tada! It's a ice cream.
Oh, say bye-bye din.
Bye-bye guys.
Please subscribe.
Like and subscribe in videos.
Bye. Bye.
See you again.